I'm Emma Kotfika, Class 1. My cast is Lev Sandler and Julie London, and I am producing the play Grunions by Barbara Lindsay.
At Nobles, this is like my first experience part of the NTC, and it's been really exciting.
So I've been in 2 student directors in the past, and they've both been like a lot of fun. I wanted to like give that experience to like other people.
I've never worked in a setting with a student as a director. I was really nervous because it was just me and then 2 other seniors. I didn't really know how it was going to work. Julia and Emma were really nice, really welcoming.
We're definitely a close-knit cast. We got close pretty fast, especially since there's only 3 of us.
I think our first rehearsal was my favorite because we kind of just like hung out and like watched like funny videos and just like talked about our lives. It was just like really fun to like bond with my cast and hang out with them.
One day we were blocking, but then we kind of got distracted and just ate corn pops and talked about how corn pops were a really underrated cereal, and that was really fun.
We have a lot of fun, but we also get a lot of stuff done at the same time.
I look at it differently because I'm the one who sort of has to like be in charge of like saying like how stuff should be played out and like what sort of the tone of the play is, whereas like as an actor you're more looking to like improve upon what your director says you should do. It's like it's interesting to just like look at it in a different way.
Being in an SDP is really amazing because your director, everyone in the cast is a student and it's your friend, and you don't really need to worry a ton.
For me, like I always get anxious like approaching adults about things, so I think it's a little bit easier for me to be like, hey, like, could we possibly do this thing?
I'm like super into like collaboration, so I always like whenever I'm like suggesting something, I'm like, if you guys like disagree, please let me know because like they have as much of a say in it as I do.
I think it's worked out really well.